Welcome back to Keeping Up with the Queen. Today we have to talk. I have thought of the perfect idea for a video. I'm going to discuss my favorite skincare products from your favorite skincare brands. And how do I know? Well, I happen to try a lot of skincare products, Korean brands, Japanese, American brands. I've tried them all. And I feel like I have a solid list of products that I keep repurchasing or reaching out for in my collection, and I feel like it will be helpful for you, hopefully, to share these experiences and these recommendations with you, and hopefully it will inspire you to find your own list and share it back with me in the comment section. But if that's what you're here for, keep on watching. The first product and the first brand that I want to discuss is this Merit Beauty Great Skin Instant Glow Serum with niacinamide and hyaluronic acid. This is a 1.69 ounce bottle or 50 ml. It comes with a pump. I've seen people online saying that they would prefer it if this is a dropper. Actually, I prefer a pump because that means the product is not exposed to air and get oxidized and mess up all the ingredients inside, and it is pretty easy to control this pump. So I like that personally. I trust it so much to take it with me when I was traveling last year to Asia for like 3.5 weeks. With traveling, you only take products that are small, portable, and versatile, right? You need to be able to rely on them when you're in a different climate. You're gonna be under stress. Traveling puts a lot of stress on your body. And I took this to Asia with me, and you see I have very little left, and I am always trying to use it very sparingly just because I really like it. I don't want it to run out, and if it runs out, I'm definitely gonna repurchase since the price is not that bad for a Sephora brand. It's $38. They have sent me their products. They have a very minimalistic makeup and skincare line. Their products are always versatile, multifunctional like this one. I have a full video on my channel too if you want to find that. But you can see the consistency. It has oil on top and a serum on the bottom of the liquid. So if you let it sit for a while, it's separated. So before I use it, I give it a good shake. I use this as a morning moisturizer slash serum because when you travel, you don't want to take so many things. I find that this serum is moisturizing enough so that it can double down as a moisturizer. Makeup sits beautifully on top of this, so I also use this as a primer when I was traveling, and I find that the skincare really supports my makeup so that my skin doesn't have to produce so much oil. I feel like it does absorb into the skin. It still leaves a natural glow from the oil in here. I just use this after I clean my face in the morning, and then I put on sunscreen and then makeup, and I'm good to go. And it's so absolutely beautiful. It doesn't really have a smell. I barely blend it and it's into my skin, and a drop goes a long way. So really amazing product. I highly recommend this. We're gonna have a lot of fancy products here. So let's go back to The Ordinary, which is a very affordable brand. They are in Sephora and Ulta, and I believe they're in some grocery stores as well. But a lot of their products, well, in my experience, a lot of their serums can be extremely strong. So I definitely would be careful and patch test them before you use it on your skin. And I have a few reviews on my channel that went viral, and I will try to link them down below as well. I love their retinol serums, the squalane version, and a lot of their skincare products are so affordable. Like this one, the 100% organic cold pressed rose hip seed oil. This is $10.90 for a 1 ounce or 30 ml dropper bottle. You can see here, this is a dropper here. This is what people wish the Merit Beauty one was like, but you can see I've used it. It barely has any product left. I already have a backup one, but you can see it kind of like bunch up in the dropper and in the cap here, and I just don't like that. So that's one reason why I said this is the perfect design, because exposing skincare products and makeup product to air that are liquid can lead to weird consistency, weird textures in the product. And I don't mind that with this just because it's so affordable and because I do go through. This is Luna Mooncake. She is a toy poodle and she just had a buzz cut for the summer, so hence the bow to have people recognize she's a princess. Where were we? So this is a beauty oil, very versatile. You can use this on your hair, you can use it on your face, you can mix it with foundation or your moisturizer to add more hydration to it. And I like that it's a very simple in one ingredient kind of product, or very few ingredients, does what it's supposed to do, which is oil, you know, to lock in moisture and have it stay there. The reason I like this is that I can just use one of these serum beforehand and this oil on top, and I feel like I'm super hydrated. It will leave a film on your skin because it's an oil product, but keep that in mind. Definitely recommend trying it out for dry combination and normal skin people out there. Wow, I was researching for the next product and now I want to buy the whole line. I don't know much about this brand. I have tried a few of their products, but this is really amazing. This is REN Clean Skincare. This is their Ever Calm line and it's the overnight recovery balm for sensitive skin. I've used to the last bit of this cream. Oh my gosh, it's so good. It's 30 ml or 1.02 fluid ounce. And in this skincare line, apparently they have a protection cream. This is the balm version, so it's a heavy moisturizer. And they even have the elixir. It's like a face oil. They have a cleansing milk, serum. Oh my god, body balm. They used to have a lot more products in Sephora, but now it looks like they only have one thing on Sephora and it's not this one. So you will have to go onto the REN Clean Skincare website to buy this. And right now they have free standard shipping on all orders. This is $55. It's not cheap. Really, it's an amazing product because it's a thick balm. I feel like I can just use this whenever my skin is freaking out or breaking out or feel like get sunburned or something very bad happen where I need help. Right? I need something soothing. I need something sensitive skin friendly. Then I would use this gorgeous balm. Let me take the tiny bit that is left out for you. It's not super greasy. It definitely feels like an oil-based product. It definitely will leave a layer on your skin. Like herbal medicinal scent. It's not bad by any means. It's very good and it's light. The smell is light, but the balm is thick. And I find that when I use this, I like to use this at night. And whenever my skin is freaking out and needs soothing and needs help, I use this by itself after I clean my skin. And I don't use anything else and I never feel like I need something underneath this anyway. Would be best like a toner or an essence under this, not a thick serum, because that would be overkill for my combination skin. I find that whenever I use this the next morning, my skin is so plump and so calm. It doesn't brighten, it doesn't help much with texture or coloration or anything, but it just does soothe out the skin and makes it feel very comfortable. And because of that, there is a plumpness that is there. You know what I mean? And I would love to explore more of this line. Ren, if you're out there and you want to send me your Ever Calm line, I would love that. The brand and product number 4 that I want to talk about is very hyped up and is an established brand in Sephora. It's high-end skincare for sure, and that brand is called Drunk Elephant. I don't know why the elephant is drunk, but it does make good product. I have tried a lot of their skincare, like the Proteini cream, the Lala Retro whipped cream, the vitamin C serum, their bronzing drops, a few of other products like the beauty oil I've used too, and some of the other serum like the green one and the blue one with the hyaluronic acid. But I want to specifically talk about this one right here. It's the TLC Framboos Glyconics Resurfacing Night Serum. It includes 10% AHA and a 1% BHA. So it's a chemical exfoliant in a way, and this is the 30 ml for $90. Let us have a pause for that price. 30 ml is like this big. in the big bottle, but from their packaging to their products, I can tell that they put thought into the brand. So look at this packaging. Oh, I also have a full review on this product and a few of their products on my channel, so make sure you look for those. Look at this. That's the pump. You twist it down, clean. You don't touch into the product. It doesn't get exposed to air. It's perfect. And all of their products have smart packagings like this one. So that's why I said this is a brand that I really love and I will keep coming back to. Not very often because it's very pricey and I can only have one of their products at the same time in my collection. So Drunk Elephant, if you want me to review your products, reach out to me as well, all of these brands, okay? The consistency is like a thick serum. You can tell it's not going anywhere, and when you blend it out, it does leave a nice glow afterwards. There is a little bit of a smell, but it's not heavy and it doesn't linger. There you go. It absorbed completely. I like to follow up after this with the ordinary rosehip seed oil. This is the kind of product that I don't notice a difference until I stop using it. I find that when I stop using this product, my skin looks a little more red and the texture is a little bit more present. Whereas when I use this product the next day, my skin is very plump, beautiful, and very evenly colored. In the summer, I have had sunburned after using this and not putting enough sunscreen on, so beware of that. You do need to use sunscreen whenever you have something chemical, peeling or exfoliant going on to your skin. So there's this product. Let me know what your thoughts are if you used this before. Before we get to the last one, I will have some honorable mentions that are not present here today because I've used them and get rid of the packaging. First of all, is Laneige. It's a Korean-based skincare and makeup brand, and in Sephora they have a skincare line. I specifically love their lip mask. The squeezy tube. I literally have one in my drawer next to my bed that I use every single night. Love their sleeping mask, the water bank sleeping mask. So it's like a jar like this one, but it's blue and it's a little bit bigger. It's a water-based sleeping mask, so it's heavy. It's gonna moisturize, but it's going to absorb into the skin, not sitting as a layer on top. It gives you the most glowy, brightened skin the next day. It has light fragrance. It's very, very nice. Another brand that I love is First Aid Beauty. I've used a lot of their products, but my favorite one is just the basic rescue moisturizer. Usually it's affordable. It's in a big tub. I can use it all over my body, and it's similar to the REN Skincare one. Whenever my skin is freaking out and needs soothing and needs something simple, sensitive, skin friendly, I use the First Aid Beauty moisturizer as well. I love that they always have sale and you can, get a bigger size for cheaper. This brand is amazing and it's very well known as well. It's called Tatcha. It is a Japanese-based skincare brand and it's definitely luxury once again. I have tried a lot of their products. I tried the silk cream because my friend Zoda gave it to me for my birthday. I've tried the dewy skin cream. I've tried their nighttime concentrate that they no longer even made. And this is one of the oldest products that I've tried from them. I'm pretty sure I've used this for over 7 years now. This is the Tatcha Luminous Dewy Skin Mist. This is definitely a fancy skin mist for $49 and it has 1.35 ounce or 40 ml. That's a very small size for the price, but glass packaging. The top is plastic and in here is gold and the mister is so fine. You can barely feel it on your skin and it has a very nice, soft, pretty mature fragrance, but I love it a lot. Pretty sure this is like my 5th or 6th bottle. Under or over makeup for a dewy, glowing skin anytime, anywhere. Again, versatility and multifunctional aspect of this product that makes me really love it. Whenever I'm lazy to do my skincare, I just spray this on my face after I wash my face and that's it, and I feel like I'm covered as far as moisturizing goes. I take this to me when I travel to the heavier mist, so you will feel like there's a film on your skin. So I do like this product and the entire Tatcha brand a lot. Although they are more on the expensive side, their products last a while because you don't use a lot of product at once. A little bit goes a long way. Same for all of these products that I've talked about here. That's it, the list for today. I hope you enjoy me talking about these products. I hope you learn more about these brands. Give them a try and let me know your thoughts in the comment below if you have tried any of these. What products that are similar to these and what brands that are similar to these brands that you can recommend me to explore, because there's more out there for sure. Hope you have a wonderful day wherever you are, and I will see you in my next video. Until next time, please don't flop.